Hey guys, happy Tuesday. It is November 10th, 2020. We are on our Unit 3 of multiplication, the standard algorithm continued. So yesterday, those of us that were at school did not get finished with all of the assignments that we needed to. And for homework, they went home and they practiced these G through I. And so if you are watching the video, I am going to go through this live with the students that are at school, and then I will post up the actual answers to check your work at home for this part here. So we are going to warm up and review in the classroom, and again, I'll post up the answers separately outside of the video. So for today, we are going to continue our 2-digit by 2-digit numbers, and we're going to do a little fun little acronym with the family to see how this works. And if you guys want to use this way to keep your directions clear and open, or use my steps, either way is a way to kind of remember the steps. What I noticed yesterday is a lot of kids were not doing very well remembering the steps, and it just takes lots of repetition and memorization of our multiplication to be able to be really successful with these. So first we have meet the family. We have dad, we have mom, we have sister, and we have baby. So we have baby brother. Who is the youngest? He's the spoiled one. He always goes first. Little sister is the patient one. She waits her turn. Mom, brother and sister's favorite, but don't tell dad. And here comes dad, who's home late from work. He's always last. So using the acronym, we have our examples of our baby. Baby always goes first. First, at bedtime, baby brother always kisses his mom first, goes to mom first, or he kisses his dad second. If he doesn't get a kiss from mom first, he cries. And when dad comes home from work, he kisses the brother. And finally, brother can go to bed. So first kisses mom, then kisses dad, then he goes to bed resting as a 0 for our place value number 3. So first he kisses mom, then he kisses dad, then he goes to bed and 0 resting his head. Next step, here's little sister who is so patient. She is the big sister. She waits up for baby brother to go to bed before she kisses mom. And after that, she kisses dad. Then she goes to bed. And then we add up everything and everybody's able to go to bed, which is your final step there. So here we have, we're going to go through the same steps thinking about baby kissing mom, baby kissing dad. Then baby goes to sleep as a 0, resting his head good night. Then we're going to go sister to mom, sister to dad. But we're going to use our steps that we did yesterday and go through the same steps. So I am going to use the acronyms as my voice to be able to talk over these. And here we go. So we're going baby to mom, which is 5 to 6, which is 30. And then we have our plus 3. Then baby to dad, which is 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Baby is sleepy. She rests her head, goes good night. All right. Sister's so patient. Sister kisses mom. 4 times 6 is 24, plus that 2 up here. Then sister kisses dad. 4 times 8, which is 2. 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 2, which is 10. Now, everybody is asleep. We all get to rest, but we have to finish to get the final product for everyone to go to sleep. So we went through the same steps, but with this time we're using the acronyms of baby kissing mom and sister kissing mom and dad and so on. Whatever helps you guys keep yourselves organized. We're going to go through another step. Here we have baby kisses mom. So write down in your journals 57 times 91. And you're thinking of still your steps, which are there in your notes. But we're going to go through baby kisses mom. 7 times 1, 7. Baby kisses dad. 5 times 1. You should have a 5. Baby goes to sleep. She rests herself. Good night. Or he rests himself. Good night. Sister is so patient. Sister kisses mom. 9 times 7 is 63. So your 3 is here. You have a plus 6 up. 5 times 9 is 45. Plus 6 is 51. Now, everybody's done. Everyone goes to bed. Now we have our total final product. You should have 5,187. Okay, so here's another one. I want you to practice this one. Use the same acronym, or you can use the step-by-steps that we did yesterday for 84 times 30. Remember, baby kisses mom, baby kisses dad, baby is so sleepy, rests its head goodnight, adds your 0 down, then sister kisses mom, then sister kisses dad. She goes to bed, and everyone is finished for your final product is your 7. So you should have baby kissing mom, 0. Baby kissing dad, 0. Baby goes night-night. We add, bring your 0 down. Sister kisses mom, 12. Sister kisses dad, 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. You have a 0, you have a 2, you have a 5, and you have a 2. Okay. Next one. You have 86 times 11. You can use whatever acronym works for you. So make sure you pay attention to your work. 86 times 11. Pause the video here, try to work it out, and then if you can get it, check and make sure you did it correct. So baby kissing mom, 6. Baby kissing dad, 8. Baby goes night-night, add your 0. Sister kisses mom, 6. Sister kisses dad, 8. Everybody's asleep. Add up to get your total. For 946. And last one that we are going to practice, whole group. Again, you can use whatever acronym works for you. You can do all in the family or our standard. But we have 93 times 56. So pause the video here and see if you can get this one in your notes. 93 times 56. Okay, so you should have an 18, a plus a 1. 9 times 6 is 54, plus 1 is 55. So check and make sure your multiplication is correct. All of baby brother is finished. Add your 0 for your place value. Now sister kisses mom for 15. Add another plus 1. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 1 is 46. You should have 8, 0, plus a 1. And then that is 12 plus 1, which is 5. For 5,208. And let's move forward. Okay, so here we have with the partners. So those of you that are at home, if you have somebody that is there with you that you can discuss and go through the steps with, that will help. Those of us that are at school, we're going to use our partner through our screens and work on these two together and discuss them before we go to the independent practice. And for the independent practice, we have these 5 multiplication equations right here. So again, if you're at home, you'll have to write these down in your journals, going through the steps to work it out. If you need to go back and look at your steps, use your notes. It's the same steps over and over. And the more you practice, the better you get, the easier it becomes. And that is it. That's all we're going to be practicing today. We probably won't have time to get to stations or anything. I just want to make sure that we're all here practicing on these multiplications, keeping focus to that. I don't want y'all to worry or think about anything else. All right, so before we do anything, do your practice work with your partner, which is your independent work, or not independent work, exit ticket, and then make sure you check back in with me to see if you are doing it correctly. And I'll see you guys soon.